Good morning students, this is your computer class. So today we will do the practical in the computer lab. You know how to open the computer. So first we will open the computer by clicking on the CPU button. So I am opening the computer. So wait for a while. After that, today we will start the MS Word, how to open it and how to do work in the MS Word. You learn it now, you will do it practically. So first of all, our computer screen is open now, so we will open the MS Word. How can we open the MS Word? We can open by two ways. First, we can go on the start button. We can click on the start button. See, I am clicking on the window button. Now I am seeing the option, but here the MS Word option is not shown, so we will use all apps here. After that, all apps are now shown here. So I am choosing the Microsoft Office. So you can see the Microsoft Office is given here. From here we can choose the Microsoft Word. You can see where is Microsoft Word. If you are not able to see, if I am not able to see, then what will we do? See, it is open. If it is not shown, then I am closing it. If it is not shown, then what will we do? We will go on the window screen, then we will go on the search button and we will type here what we want to open. We want to open Microsoft Office Word. So we will type here Microsoft Office. So see here Microsoft Office Word is given. So now I am clicking here. Now my Microsoft Office Word screen is open. You all can see this. The screen is open. Now I want to type. Then I can start typing from here. So you can see I am typing like I want to type the important parts of the computer. So I choose this, but I am seeing that this is very small. So I want to increase the size. So I will select it. And after this, I am going here. See, home पे आप गए. होम पे जाने के बाद आप क्या करोगे? होम बटन पे जाने के बाद आप क्या करोगे? इसमें हम लैंग्वेज में से फॉन्ट साइज चूज करेंगे एंड वी विल इंक्रीज द फॉन्ट साइज. सी I am increasing font size to 28. So it is changed. Now it is big now. So if I want to write anything before this, so what will I do? I will write here chapter number 5. If I want to write this, after this I want to change the line, so I will choose the enter button. The enter button is clicked. Now I want that the chapter number 5 is written in the middle. So what will I do? I will change the alignment. As you know what is alignment? Alignment means if you want to change the font alignment from left alignment to center alignment, then what we will do? We will select the font. Now we will change the alignment. We will choose the center alignment. See here. Now it is in center. If I want to choose it in the right side, see it is right side, move to right side. Now left side, now center. So it is selected. Though I want to underline it. Now I want to bold it. Bold means हम इसे highlight करना चाहते हैं. Then what will we do? We will go in the home tab. Home tab में we will go in the font. After that we will choose the bold option. Now it is bold. Now I want to change it to any other language. So I am choosing the language. So you can see the language is changing. Now I am choosing this. So I want to underline it. If I want to underline it, then what will I do? I will go in the home page, font block, and in this I will choose the underline. So you can see the underline is completed. Now if I want to change the color, then how will I change the color? I will change the color from here. I can choose any other color. See, the colors are changing. As I am moving the cursor, the colors are changing one by one. So if I select which color I want to select? I want to select maroon. So I am choosing this color. So see, the color is changed now. If I want to change any other thing, I can change it from here. Now I am going in insert tab. Now in insert tab, if I want to add a table, then what will I do? I will choose the table option. You all can see the table option is given here. The table option, I will choose the table option. Now how many tables I want to choose? How many tables I want to choose? I want to choose these. So I am choosing the table. You all can see the tables are here now. So I can change the tables in any other thing. Now I can write in tables also, like serial number. In next table I want to write names. In next I want to write roll number. I can write anything I want to. You understand this? Now if you want to insert a picture from clip art, so you can choose the picture from the clip art. You can choose any picture from here. By default, which picture is given here? Like, if I want to search any picture, I can search from here. So, if this picture not available, then it is not shown on here. Okay. Next, if you want to add shapes, then what will you do? You can add any shape from here. See, the shapes are showing here. So you can add any shape. If you want to add this shape, then you have smiley. You can select here and you can make it like this. See, the shape is done. Now if you want to color it, I choose the color. So it is colored now. It is completed. Now next, page layout. What is page layout? If we want to break our page means I am choosing this and I am choosing any other page like this. I can choose anything. See, I used page break. The new page is here. So I can work here now, but I don't want this page, so I can do undo. You all know what is the shortcut key of undo? Control plus Z. By using Control plus Z, you can come back in your first page, previous page. So I am here back. Now if I want any other thing to do, I can do from here. Next, referencing, mailing, reviews. What are reviews? New comments. If you want to add anything, spelling and grammar check. If you are writing things and you want to do spelling and grammar check, see, serial number, they are showing the mistakes. They think that this is a mistake, that the computer is showing it by default. If you want to ignore, then what will we do? We will ignore words. Ignore words. Okay. Spell check is completed. Now what will we do? We can do the other thing. Now view. If you want to view the printout, now my page is completed. Now I want to take a printout. Then what will we do? We will go in the office button. After that we will see the print button, print preview. So see, how can we take a print of our paper? It is the paper which is showing in the printing form. So we can print it from here also. Okay, we can print it from here. So main functions, you can understand what are the main functions. So you can see here, change style. If you want to change the style of your document which you are writing, you can change the style from change style option. Now select style select. I want to select the style. Now what will I do? I am selecting the style from this. I choose the style. Now I want font. Which font I want? I can choose any font whichever I want. So see, I am choosing this font. So the writing is changed. Now it is written in other form. So completed here. Now if we want to save our document, then how will we save our document? We can save our document by going in the office button. First we will go in the office button. After that you can see save as option is given you here. So we will choose save as option. Now we can save our file anywhere. If I want to save my file on document, then I select document, write the name here, whichever I want to write. I want to write MS Word. So I'm writing here MS Word. So I write the name. So now I will save it with the help of the save button. So see, I've saved it. You all know we can save the file from here. See, you can also save your file by using the Ctrl plus S key. Shortcut key of saving is Ctrl plus S. So now my file is saved. I can close it. Now I am closing this app. So I am closing it. It is closed. Now I will show you how you can see your saved file. So once again I am opening MS Word. So you can see it is used. So it is shown on the above. So it is open. Now I want to open my file. So I will see my file from open. Now I can see my file from here. Desktop. My file is shown here. MS Word. I saved my file with the name of MS Word. So it is shown here. So now I will click here and then I will click on the open button. You can see my file is open. Now if I want to do some changes in my file, I can do the changes as well. So now I start doing some changes. How can you if I want to make a chart here, so how can I make a chart? I can select a chart from here. I want to choose the area. So I am choosing this. Okay. So you can see my chart is showing you here. The chart is showing you here. You all can see the chart. You all can see. See, the chart is showing here. Now, whatever data I have mentioned, the chart is showing it here. So, this is the screen. Double screen. It is now in double screen. Now, I can cancel it. Do you want to save the changes? I want to save the changes. Yes, I can save the changes. So, now it is closed. You can see. Now, I am opening once again. See what changes you have made has been saved in it. Now open, and after this desktop, MS Word, open. See, my chart is open. It is showing the chart and the character which I write here. All the things are shown now here. So practice this practical at your home. Try to do this at your home. Okay, this is your class. This is all for today. Thank you.